from all the way there. Okay. Let's do it. Hi guys, so I'm just gonna get straight into it. I'm cutting curly bangs today so that you don't have to. And no, it's not because I had 3 back-to-back dreams about performing alongside Taylor Swift.
Like seriously guys, grow up.
I know my sister's watching this right now like,
oh my god dude, what the hell are you doing, man? Like, you didn't even consult me?
but Vanessa, I know that you're gonna say
No, don't do it. You're gonna regret it.
which I probably will, but I just couldn't tell you. Elvis told me to tell you and I said no. But I'm just gonna tell you the same thing I said to Elvis about 20 minutes ago. If I don't do this today, then I know for a fact that I'm gonna do something 100 times worse. Like, I'm known for profusely, is that the right word? Changing my hair, and it's never for the best. Bleaching, harsh dyeing, cutting, and regretting it. But once I get that itch, it's so hard to control. And I honestly thought that I could control it with those temporary pomades that I used. Like, I went from purple, I had blonde highlights. But no, clearly they didn't work because we're here now. And also, can I just say that in my adulting life, I have never wanted bangs, ever. Like, I had them when I was a teenager and can I just say I hated them. Literally hated them. So what am I doing?
Oh, no, 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 no.
But you know what, if I don't do this, yeah, then you're gonna have to do it. And I know that you don't want to do it, so let's just get into it. That kind of rhymed. But yeah, are you guys ready? I am. So last minute, like I swear to God, I decided this about an hour and a half ago, that I don't have the right tools. Like, I can't find my hair cutting scissors, and I also can't find like a comb to like part the section. So what I've got instead are these scissors, and I have got my eyebrow concealing brush to part. What am I doing? Right, so I kind of already did like a uneven part on the top, but what I'm gonna do is just make sure that it's completely straight. I don't actually have a mirror like in front of me, but I'm gonna use my MacBook's what's it called, photo booth thing. Okay. I should probably tie this up. I don't actually know what I'm doing. Like, I don't know. Like, how much of the front needs to be taken? Is that too thick? Is that too thick? I don't know. No, I think that's okay. Okay, well, that's not working out. Guys, like, this is how much hair I'm cutting. Look how long it is. You're probably all staring through your computer screen like,
What the hell are you doing?
so it's literally, like, my hair's literally this long. And I'm cutting from all the way there to up here. So this much hair is going away. I'm suddenly a lot more scared than I was when I began this filming. At this point, I was contemplating carrying on with this decision. I still had time to change my mind. Stop being a little. Oh, you know what? Hair grows, yeah? But this itch doesn't. This itch doesn't disappear, okay? It doesn't disappear. There's still time to go back. But no, I've decided now. I've decided, and that's what we're gonna do. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just cut like a bit. Oh no. Should I do it? No. Okay, let's just do it. Okay, let's just. Oh my goodness, no. Yeah, maybe this is too thick. Like, I'm not willing to sacrifice this much hair. Let me get this photo booth back up. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. Okay. Honestly, let's do the next part. Let's just. Next. Hey, hey, yeah, baby. Funky. Guys, honestly, if I don't do this, yeah, if I don't do this, then 100% I'm gonna end up cutting my actual hair. and I don't want to do that because I'm trying to grow it. Like I told myself 2021, no cutting hair, just trimming, no cutting. But I just get this itch. I always cut my hair, and I just don't want to. I don't want to do it anymore. I don't want to do it anymore. Okay, I don't want to do it anymore. Cut a bit more. Just a bit more. Alright, next bit. Oh, let me not get too excited. Baby. We have to go all the way. Oh my gosh, oh, this is gonna kill me. Oh, okay, this part's a bit too long. I feel like this is enough fringe. Like if I don't know, let's see. I feel like I shouldn't have put that much conditioner on it. Alright, 1 second guys, let me dry it. What the hell? Definitely my old hairdryer. You guys, you heard that sound, right? It sounds okay now though, so I'm just gonna use it. I can't find my other one. I don't know where. Oh, there it is. I should probably use the other one. I don't want to die. I don't want to burn this house down. So. What do you think? Should I cut this shorter? I'm probably not going to do it in this video because I'm scared, but maybe I need to cut this shorter. Or do you guys like it like this? What do you think? What do you think? I'm not gonna lie, I like it. I feel classy, I feel different.
You got that something, baby, that I can go without, just like a poison in me. You're all that I'm about. Loving the highs, don't mind the lows. It's getting out of my control. I want that something, baby.
Time to go and get my boyfriend's reaction to it. Bit nervous for that, not gonna lie. I'm scared. I don't know. The white people. Yeah.
You know them films?
What?
Hey Buster, you better get off my property.
I was thinking it was more of like a Whitney Houston kind of look.
Oh, but then you have to cut the rest of it.
No, I'm not gonna cut the rest of it. But I mean,
No, I see that as well. You know,
like obviously I need to style it a bit more, but
it looks good though.
I wanna hear somebody.
It really shows that thing, I see.
Babe, I'm not trying to be Taylor Swift.
You woke up talking about you had dreams.
That was the best dream ever.
And do you know what would look good with your headbands?
You're so right. This is such a good idea.
It looks good curly though.
It does, right? Right guys, so I got the boyfriend's approval, so I'm pretty happy about that. He even gave me the idea of putting on this headband. Look at it. It looks so cute with it. I didn't even think about putting a headband on with this hair. But yeah, I love it. I did this so you wouldn't have to, but now that it's come out kind of okay, do it. Do it, why not? Hair grows, okay? But the itch doesn't reduce. Okay, not for me at least, and probably not for you either. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It would be so greatly appreciated. And I will catch you in my next video.